What is Kwanzaa? Kwanzaa is an annual celebration of African American culture, community, and family. When is it celebrated? It is celebrated every year, from the 26th of December to the 1st of January. Who celebrates Kwanzaa? It is celebrated by millions of African Americans and many Black people in Canada and the Caribbean. When and why did the celebration start? It was created by Dr. Maulana Karenga in 1966 as a way to bring together African American communities after the deadly Watts riots, which happened in August 1965 in Los Angeles in the USA. Kwanzaa was most popular in the 1980s and 1990s, but its traditions have slowly started to fade in recent years. How is it celebrated? The holiday lasts for 1 week and ends with a shared family feast on the 6th night. During the week of Kwanzaa, families get together, share gifts and light candles, in honor of their ancestors and hopes for the future. Kwanzaa centers around 7 principles. Families meet every day to reflect on one of these principles and to light the candles together. The 7 principles are: Umoja, unity; Kujichagulia, self-determination; Ujima, collective work and responsibility; Ujamaa, cooperative economics; Nia, a sense of purpose; Kuumba, creativity; and Imani, faith. There are also 7 symbols for Kwanzaa. The unity cup, for giving thanks to ancestors; 7 candles, which are for the 7 principles. The middle candle is typically black, whereas the 3 candles on the left are red, and the 3 candles on the right are green. A candle holder, which holds the 7 candles. Fruits, nuts and vegetables, which are reminders of the harvest. A mat, which is made of straw or African cloth. Ears of corn. 1 ear of corn is placed on the mat for each child that is present at the celebration. And gifts. Did you know? The word Kwanzaa comes from a Swahili phrase, which means first fruits of the harvest. The main colors for Kwanzaa are red, black and green. Kwanzaa is not a religious holiday, but a cultural one, and therefore, people of any faith can celebrate it. Homemade and educational gifts are encouraged for Kwanzaa, and these gifts are handed out on the last day of the celebrations.